Namaste guys. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make something like this and this. Apparently, someone commented on my channel and said, "Hey man, can you make some knob design like this?" So this is what he asked. First of all, I want to say sorry to this Abin Bobby because it he said this 1 month ago and I was busy at that time, so I wasn't able to make it. So I am making right now. So first, sorry, and let's jump into it. Let's see how to make it. So click on new, click on part, click OK. Now select the front plane, click on sketch. First we need to create a sphere. Trim entities, go to features, click on revolve, click yes, click OK. Now select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. To make that part, go to circle, draw a circle, give it some angle, let's say 5 degree, 3 mm, 105. Circular sketch pattern, select this dot. Here make sure that the maximum angle is 180 degree. Increase the number of instances as per your requirement. I have some warning for you. If you just increasing the instances, just for fun, and the file when will it create, it will be a very huge file. So it is going to consume a lot of RAM. So choose as per your requirement. Okay, I warned you. Trim entities, trim this one only. Now go to features, click on revolve boss base, select this line, click OK. Now go to insert features, click on move and copy, select this. You need to select all of these one by one. Sorry if you are hearing any unnecessary noise, can't do for anything. Very sorry for that. And move downwards, click on translate rotate, click on rotate. It is asking for the origin, so select the origin and rotate about x 90 degree. So you will see something like this if you click OK. Oh, press Ctrl Z first. I have done a mistake. Sorry, my bad. Okay, I have to do this step again. My mistake. Features. Move copy. Click on delete. Remember, this part is going to consume a lot of RAM. So if you have a low RAM, then you might face some problem. Make sure you click on copy. Click on to select origin x90. Click OK. So here you got something like this. Right click on it, click OK. So here you got something like this. Okay. Now right click on it, click on here, or you can make more shapes. Like example, just change the angle to 30 degree, or increase this and this. It will only create the complexity of it. So as you can see, now the another thing is how to make, the rods or the beam. So it is also very simple. You can, all you need to do is simply, as I've shown you, you need to use circular pattern command. Okay. Try this one or figure out yourself. Okay. It's a homework for you. Here you see these beam things. So try to make this one on your own. Okay. And you can make also this one shape or this one. So basically I have created something like this, or let me show you how to make more shapes. 0 0, click OK. Oh sorry, right click, 1, click OK. So this is something shaped like this. It's a radial one. So what you can do is right click on it, click on suppress, select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Sorry, select the front plane, click on sketch, go here, draw a circle of 3 mm, center distance is 100, 103 mm, sorry, 104, 105, sorry. Click OK, center line. Now go to revolve, click OK, select the front plane, click on sketch, select draw a center line again, press escape. Now go to, first exit the sketch mode, go to circular pattern, select this, and in features select this feature, increase the number of instances, click OK. So here we have made this shape. In case of SW you can also make it, but it will make little complex, and I have covered some videos on it, so why don't you try to make it. Okay. And you, if you want to make this, just keep advice, you need to use this. And as you saw previously that I have changed what do you see angles, so if you change it you can make it. Okay. So it's a little task for you, you can do it yourself. And in case of the beams inside it, what you can use is, you can simply create just one and use the circular pattern, like here I have shown for these. So it is not a big deal, just try to make one yourself. If you are facing problem, then comments what kind of problem you are facing, I will try to help you. Okay. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kinds of doubts and queries, make sure that you ask in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.